Maximizing value for your financial plan. That sounds like really macho, little intense. And I want you to challenge that today. I want you to challenge yourself to think about humanizing your financial plan. I want you to humanize every aspect of how you think about your finances in the week ahead. And I bring this up and challenge you as there's so much focus and effort on maximization, making the most amount of money possible, saving the most amount of money from like not paying for things as possible. That it's just a perpetual chorus of nonsense that means nothing to anyone, and just sells ads and makes you feel like you could do more. You're failing at something. You're not good enough. You're not working hard enough. And I think it's just a bunch of garbage. There are a lot of people out there working really hard, building their financial plans, executing and serving their communities and their families. And maybe they're saving 20% of their income. Maybe they're saving zero. Wherever you're at in your life right now, I want you to give yourself some empathy. I want you to give yourself some leeway and some grace to be like, you know what, I'm good enough. And no matter what challenge or opportunity is facing me, I'm going to take it with the best attitude I possibly can and just focusing on what I can control today and then focusing on what I can control tomorrow. And I bring this up as we have lots of people that we've helped with financial plans over the years, and we continue to serve. And I can tell you day one, there are people that walk in our door making lots of money. Maybe they just made $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 last year, and they feel like garbage about their finances. They feel like absolute garbage. Maybe it's because they have student loans. They have some credit card debt. They made a financial mistake. They made a bad trade. They forgot to check a box and paid a bunch of extra taxes. Whatever. There are lots of things that are out there that make people just start to shame themselves financially, lose confidence, and not reflect back on all the great things they're doing for themselves, their community, their families, and they're letting that hold them back from making another step forward towards who they are and who they want to become. So my core message here, if you didn't pick up on it already, is just relax. Be grateful. Be thankful. You're out there. You're hustling. You're working hard. You're doing your best. And sometimes our best equals a failure. And when you fail, you usually get a great opportunity to pick yourself up and learn and move forward. Don't let that failure just push you into some sort of dark hole. I know I've been there. I know what that feels like personally. And if you are there and you want to chat about it, you want to talk about it, give me a call, shoot me an email, get on our calendar, because we're here to be an empathetic guide. And a lot of people just need someone to talk to about their money or talk to about their life in order to step forward and get back out there and get back at it. So my name is Kit Lancaster. I'm a certified financial planner. My job is to be an empathetic guide to inform and empower my clients to make more informed decisions. And whether you are a client or not, we hope you have a great day, a great week. And just remember, you're human. We're all human. It's going to get better. If you're having a bad day, you got this. You can turn it around. Take care.